Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm just happy to meet you all in our online ICT class. So, this is a video which will help you to revisit and recap all the coding blocks that we have learned in our ICT class earlier. So, we will start the session now. Okay, what is the first step to open Scratch online application? So as you see the Google Chrome icon on my desktop, you have to double click on this and then you will get a Google browser. Here you need to type Scratch online application. Now click enter. I'm getting a scratch.mit.edu as the first link in my laptop. In case if you are getting this link in the second or third line or in between somewhere over here in the page, you need to make sure that you are selecting or clicking on this hyperlink, Scratch Imagine Program Share. Click on it. So once you click this, now we are inside the Scratch online application. What is the next thing? Go and select create menu. Now it load up. Yeah, we got our Scratch window. So I'll just tell you what all the things are there in the Scratch window. So as you see on the top, this is the menu. Here we have all the coding blocks. We call it as a palette. For example, what are all the steps related to the sprites movement? You will be having it in the motion block. Likewise, looks, sound, events, control. We have all the coding blocks to our left side. And then when you click on the motion, you can see all the coding blocks related to motion over here in this area. So likewise, if you click on this purple looks, you'll be getting these sound, events, like this. Okay, this is our work area where we will drag this coding blocks and we'll drop it over here, and these are the instructions that we are going to give to our sprite. You all know the sprite, no need to introduce you, but again introduce to you. This is a sprite. This is a graphic character. We are having it in our Scratch application. So this cat is a default sprite, which means when you open the Scratch application, you will get it here. You will get this cat on the sprite. So if you don't want this, simply go here and delete this. You can remove by clicking on the delete button. So on your bottom right, you can see choose a sprite option. So click here. Today I'm going to take the ballerina. So when you click on the choose a sprite option, you will be getting all the sprites together in this which comes under the all menu. So if you want to specify, for example, I have in my mind ballerina, she's a dancer. So also they have given you the categorization. So go to this dance, you will be finding her. Yes, so select this ballerina. Now I got her in my stage. So this is our stage where we have our sprite and then the backdrop. What is the backdrop? You can see the white space around this sprite. Yes, here we can fix our background, that we call it as a backdrop in Scratch application. Next to the choose a sprite option, you will have this choose a backdrop. Click on the backdrop. Like we got the collection of sprites, we also having the backdrops collection. So I'm in this all. So if you want to specify something like is that related to music? Yes. So I want a spotlight backdrop for this ballerina because she is going to perform a dance over here. That's why I am bringing this spotlight backdrop here. Okay, so now I got the sprite and then the backdrop. So what is the next thing? So today I'm just going to insert few more sprites over here to the far right and far left side. Why? Because they are going to be the audience of the show. So I'll minimize this. So I have already, as you can see, I have already inserted four more sprites with this ballerina on my stage. So now I'm going to give some instruction to the sprite. You have already learned, right? If you want to give some instruction, if you want to make the sprite to do something for you, we have to give instruction. How can we give instruction? Through the help of coding blocks. So I'll choose this boy first. His name is D. Okay, so you need to check. For example, here I have 5 different sprites. The middle one is called D. For this sprite, I'm just going to give instruction. So how to make sure? Because this one is highlighted with the blue color. Yes, you can see the blue line over the sprite. So if you click this, which means whatever coding block you're giving here, you're giving instruction only to this boy, not to other sprites. So go to the events. We all know this will be our first coding block. When flag clicked, this is the event which is related to this one, connected with this green color flag. So when I click this flag to run the project or my program, what are all the other coding blocks connected with this will be running step by step. Okay, so when flag clicked, then I want this boy to tell this ballerina something. If you want to say something, we have to use the speech bubble. Yes or no? So I'll take this say. From where I took it, from this looks option, select the say block. So what I want him to say is like type, we are all waiting to see your dance. Okay, he's saying this to ballerina. Imagine. Okay, now so go to the ballerina next. So what is the first step again here? Take this when flag click, and here, so when I click this green flag, can you see as he says, we are all waiting to see your dance. So by the time she needs to wait and reply yes. So I will go to this control, take the wait option, because when someone questions you, we need to wait and then give the reply. Yes, so make it 3 seconds. So when we click this green flag, this ballerina, she will be waiting. As you see, I'm giving instruction to the ballerina. Now go to this looks option, and ballerina, she will reply to this D. Of course. Okay, now let us check. Click on the green flag. Once you click on this, he is asking, and she will reply, of course. Okay, now see, in this video I'm just trying to what are all the coding blocks we have already learned. I want you to show, right? So this one we have, this is a speech bubble, we have already used this. Now we will make use of the sound. Go to the sound menu, take this start sound option, bring it over here and connect it. Click on this. So here I am getting only the pop sound. So if you want to insert some new sound, click on the sound and from our collection you need to bring the click here and choose a sound option. From here can type in the search area, type classical. So I'm getting this. So now I have inserted a new sound. Go to the coding blocks again. Now I can see the classical piano over here. Select this. Okay, now let me click this green flag. Okay, so the music is coming. What is the next step? So she needs to dance, right? So I will take this, go to the looks option, take the next costume. So what is the next costume? You can see the costume over here. If you want to draw or create your if you want to change the position or actions, you need to go to the costumes, and you can already by default we have 4 different posture of this posture or gesture of the ballerina. So we have A, 1 2 3 4 is the ballerina, A B C D. Okay, go to the code again. So next costume means this coding block will bring her next costume. So if it is A, then the B will come. Okay, and again go to the looks option and bring this change color effect and connect it here. Yes, so if you click on the green flag, once the music is started, okay, she's ballerina, she's changing her costume one time and also the color is changing one time. I want her to do the action repeatedly. Like for that I need to use the repeat block. Go to control, take the repeat and connect with these. Like I want this next costume. I'll just put all the coding, these two inside the repeat. Yes, now click the flag. Okay, before that, stop this. Can you see the red button? If you want to stop the program execution, you need to click on this red button. I'll make this as 30. Fine. Yes. Okay, now see. After this, continuously ballerina, she will perform her dance, which means she will change her costume, all the 4 costumes one by one 30 times. So after that I want her to stand straight, which means I need to bring the ballerina A costume. For that, go to the looks and bring switch costume ballerina A. Fine. Now after that I want all the audience or the spectators to clap for her. For that I'll go to the sound option, choose a sound. From here I want the clapping sound, so type clapping and bring it here. Now we got it in the sound menu. This 3 different sounds are here. Go to the code block again and go to this sound menu. From here, start sound and connect it over here. Okay, now we'll play this. Okay, stop this. As you see this ballerina, she's dancing so fast. I want her to wait and dance. For this I'll go to this events. We have this, go to the control option. From here we have to bring this weight and drop it over here and make it 0.2. So now if you press the green flag, she will dance slowly, like it will take little time to go to the next step. Okay, so this is our learning today. What is that? It is like a interactive and also animation we have done, like it's a short story like this. You all can try to do one. So if you have any doubts, you just write down all the coding blocks that we have used it over here, and then try to create your own story using these coding blocks. And also you have learned this motion, move, turn and all. You can try everything and then try to create your own story, and if possible record and send it to me or share with me this file. Thank you so much.